Hello everyone, thanks for being here. My name is Erica and I am the content creator of iMadeIt. I was challenged by the Murphy family to do the fruit challenge and I accepted. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so what you saw there was I was trying to peel a kiwi as you would an orange, and it got under my nail and it actually bled for a couple seconds, and then it was pretty painful for a bit, and then during the day it felt so much better. Okay, so out of the 11 fruits, I only ended up eating 3, and quite honestly thought I was going to eat more. I would have to say that my biggest tip would be eat the fruits that you don't have to peel. That way you can eat more and it'd be faster. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. Next person I would like to challenge for the fruit challenge would be Grethel from Grethel Loves to Share and Camellia. Will you accept this challenge?